Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a flat pack design. So basically, first of all, a flat pack is a design that you can assemble, a customer can assemble themselves. So you basically either give them the components to do so, or you create it in a way using joints that they can assemble it with them by themselves using no tools. So we're going to do something that doesn't require any tools. We're just going to create like joints that you can combine, but the measurements have to be very exact with flat packs, as the places that you're joining, like, they need to be tight enough so that when they're put together it doesn't fall apart, but it is also, you're also allowing the customer to disassemble it or reassemble it whenever they like to, if they want to move it or not. So we're going to be creating a flat pack design basically. Okay, so we're going to be making a flat pack chair. I do not plan on making this one scaled because I haven't planned the measurements, but I'm just going to run through on how to make a flat pack design. It's very simple, very easy. You can do it in many different ways. So I'm just going to create, let's say, uh, well, we're going to want one leg here, right? We'll give it like, let's say our thickness for everything is going to be 5 millimeters today. And we're going to take that and we're just going to extrude it up. Now with a flat pack 2, you're going to get a one difference from the designs I've been doing is you're going to have more bodies that I'll show you in a minute, but first, yeah, that's alright. So you're going to have more bodies because you want them to be separable, right? And this one, you're most likely going to need to you could laser cut these, which makes it easier, but that would require, instead of creating a body, you'd have to go for the sketches. So you could just run the you could just resketch it once you have your design completed. But yeah, so this is our first side. We can just change it to however we like. So I'm just gonna cut this part. We're gonna maybe let's see. So this goes to 25. Let's bring it to 25, and then bring this a bit down, and then bring it back up. Yeah, so this part we're gonna remove. And then we're gonna add the holes in a second too. So that will allow for the back, and we can also cut off a part here too actually. Add a line here. And we're just gonna extrude that again too. Now we've got how we want the side of our chair to look. We can add alright, first I'm gonna add the spots where I want the, first of all, backrest, and then also the chair to be. And we might put additional supports to the other side down here, so we can just make one side and then just copy and paste it onto the other side. Here, what we're gonna do is create another sketch here. We're gonna go down the middle. So I'm just gonna find the middle's here, and we're gonna make this into a line type. Same here. And get these two parts. There's an angle there for some reason. There we go. Middle, and want the middle. Yes, this and this is gonna be my construction lines. And along with that, we also have to make one down here. 25. This is 12.5, right? Yeah. And make that a construction line too, so we know what the middle of each area is, and we can just create a middle point rectangle, center rectangle. Yeah, so say here we can do, let's make them all 20 and 5. Right, because that's what we want our thickness as. And again, actually, we're not gonna, yeah, we'll just take this and, sorry, kinda, not gonna do that, Command C, Command V, and just put that piece over there with 5 cm space. And yeah, I know it's not following the line, but this will make it so much easier. Then you can go for the, not circle, center rectangle again. Create center, no, we'll take this part again and just copy it down here. Actually, no, we're not gonna make this one here. We're gonna delete this part. Actually, and let me see if another one of these can fit here. I'm gonna move this one a bit to the left. To the right, sorry. So that's 40, that's 45 now. We'll move this one back to make it equal to. Having symmetry in flat pack designs always makes it easier. But I mean, that's with pretty much any design actually. So yeah, we can see the line to this point. Alright, so that's where we're going to put our indents for slots and joints. So I can just copy all of these places now and just extrude them out. Press and pull, and then you can go to the left and see. Okay, now with all of them extruded, what we're going to do next is we're going to create the back. No, we're going to create the base first, and that's finally going to be a new body. So what we're going to do is we're going to create sketch here, and as soon as we're done with making our sketch, we can just as soon as we're done with making our sketch, we can get rid of the body so that the new sketch becomes its own body. First of all, we're gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get a line to go here, to go all the way to the back, and here too. And now I'm just gonna redo this line. Here we go, and that's gonna become our base. We can get rid of body 1. I don't think I selected that one by accident. Here, and then we can just choose how wide we want the chair to be. I'll just set it as 80. But we have to go back to the sketch because we need to build the joints again. So it's if I remember, I can bring back the body to see. It's 1, 2, 3, and then we can get rid of that body again. Press pull, and it was the thickness of every piece is 5 cm, so all we have to do is just put it 5 cm in to fill that thickness. We're gonna have to do it from this side too, so I'll just get rid of the body real quick. 1, 2, 3, and press pull. Then what we can do is we can create it to start from an offset, I think. Nope. From object, perhaps. Yeah. Yep, that's better. From an object, no offset. And 5 millimeters again. So we're gonna do the backrest next. We're gonna follow the same way. We're gonna create a sketch here and then continue on. So get rid of body 1, of course, and click press and pull. I'll go to the top view again so that I know how much my length is. And once again, it is 8 cm. Then we're gonna come back here, copy that sketch again. There we go. And now we can also continue on. We can make two identical pieces that can go here and here. So we're gonna create right leg. And then you can copy that piece over there. So now we're gonna just do that copying. So we're gonna put this one, so, and just move it all the way here. Alright, there we go. I think that should do it. Take our right leg, move in copy, and we can just move that all 85, and then we have to disconnect all the joints. There we go, 85, and now we can bring them back. And this is going to be the left leg from the front. There. So now that's a flat pack design. It's alright, a bit rushed, but yeah, and you can just easily take it apart, put it in just one stand. Yeah, but that's basically what flat pack design would look like. Yeah, that's just gonna be it for today. So I'll see you guys in another 2 weeks. I'll figure out what we're teaching then. I think I might be wanting to do coil, pipe, and torus because I haven't done those tools and I keep forgetting to do some tools. So I'm gonna go through those three in the next class, I think. But yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in 2 weeks.